The basin that I just designed has a 6-to-1 slope all the way around the basin. Let's say that we want to change the areas adjacent to the pads to a 4-to-1 slope. I'll create overrides at the vertices that I want to adjust the slopes at. I'll do this from a plan view since it's easier to create the overrides. So I'll change views. And to create a slope override, you access the command from the Basin Overrides panel. You have an option to create, and then you can show or hide the overrides. So I'll click the create option, and you're prompted for a location for the override. So let's say I want to put one here. No need to snap, just anywhere in the area. Let's change the slope to a 4. And the radius is going to be the area that will be affected by this particular slope. So if there are multiple vertices in that radius, they'll both use the same slope. So we'll click 3 here. And if we were to refresh the basin now, the slope has caused the bottom of the basin to come out here a little bit, increase the volume slightly to 0.9. It was 0.8. So let's do the same thing over here. You can't copy the overrides, but they're easy to create, just a button click. So here, we'll do another 4-to-1, and we could increase the radius here if we wanted to, and refresh the basin. Same exercise over again, because the basin will not update until you tell it to. Now we could create overrides at each point, or if we want, we could also drag out the radius of the overrides we've created. And you can erase these manually. And if we refresh the basin now, all of the vertices that fall within the radius of the override change to 4-to-1, or the value of the override. So I'm going to create one more here at 4-to-1. I'll just make the radius like 3-4 feet. And I'll hit return to create another one, and I'll make this one, let's say 4.5 maybe. And I'll create one more here at a 5-to-1 slope. So now I'll refresh the basin. And you see we should get the geometry that we're designing. Let me change my view. And I'll go ahead and update the surface now. And our contours have adjusted to show the new basin geometry based on the slopes that we define in this area.